guys, welcome back. Midwest Picker here. This is a real quick what's sold on eBay video. This is actually what sold this week, like the full-timers do. Can you believe it? I've sold 3 things in a week. So summer slowdown, yes, it's happened, but I've sold 3 items lately, so I'm really thrilled. Sales are coming back a little bit. So the first item, maybe I'll put it up here. That's my nurse picture I got from Lonnie Garage Flips right there. Love that picture. The first one are candlestick holders or candle holders. These are the ceramic glass candle holders that came with that dish set. So I don't know what episode, maybe episode 19 or 20, I'm not sure. It's the mega haul video. That's where I got the 61 pieces for $32. This one I had listed for $39.95, which was kind of higher than average, and it didn't take long at all, maybe a couple weeks, maybe less than 2 weeks, and somebody offered me $26. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to take it. I doubt it was an eBay sniper. That's a pretty good price, not too low. I could have held out longer. I could have countered with a higher price, like $29.95, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to sell it. So it shipped and sold, and I'm thrilled. The next item right here, bread and butter plates. Doesn't that sound cute? Bread and butter plates. Little 6-inch plates, tiny little things. I looked them up, and I could not believe the price. I went to the manufacturer's website where you can still buy these exact plates, brand new, $120 for 4. So I thought, man, that's crazy. So on eBay, the used ones, if you add it all up for 4, is about $60. Somewhere 65, somewhere 45. So I thought, you know what, I'm just put it on for $59.95 plus shipping on top, and it sold. They didn't even send me an offer. They bought it, and it's shipping tomorrow morning. I was thrilled. The first one, the candlesticks, shipping on top too. So I charge shipping. I use miles and miles of bubble wrap. I'm very careful. I'm nervous about glassware and ceramics and dishes because, I mean, you can pack it as well as you want. If a postmaster drop kicks it across the room, it's probably going to break. So it's all priority mail. Hopefully they treat priority mail a little bit better because they know it's insured, guaranteed, so maybe they treat it nicer, I don't know. So the last item right here is this fanny pack. It's a black Harley Davidson fanny pack. I picked this up at a garage sale for $7. Had it listed for $26, and somebody sent me an offer for $20, so I took it. This had been on my eBay store, I'm guessing 3 to 4 months, so it's been kind of languishing for a while, but it sold. So boom, boom, boom. I sold 3 things in 3 days. I was just thrilled. That was great. I know this lighting is harsh above me. That's just the ceiling light in my office, and it's kind of putting a glare on me. My daughter just graduated film school. That's the other thing I wanted to tell you. Today is Tuesday. Her last official day was yesterday, so technically all the students graduate Friday, August 2, but she is done and she is thrilled. She is now able to work much more, even though she's working full-time now and going to school full-time. I mean, she's a really hard worker. So now she's going to have more opportunities to do more like travel. So if somebody offers her a job working on a film set out of state, out of country, there's nothing holding her back now because she's done with school. So I'm very proud of her. That's really awesome. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm getting questions. I'm actually going to film a question and answer video soon. I have it all written down, all the questions I received and the answers I gave. So I'm going to put it into a video and put that out. But if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Comment below. If you go back and binge watch my old videos, put comments in there if I missed something, if I misspoke. If you have a different opinion, go ahead and throw comments. If you have a lot of questions or a lengthy question, my email is down in the description below. Shoot me a question through email. I love to answer questions. I do it all the time, so I should get back to you within 24 hours. So that's it. This is what sold on eBay. I'm excited, and yeah, I keep promising I'm going to make a video about how I was on a movie set and I was an extra in a movie. That is coming real soon, as soon as I can get the raw video done. So Midwest Picker, thanks for watching.